This is Heat 3 of Event 304. Keeping in lane 0, James Michael of Pasig City. Lane 1, Rayos Mark of Flying of Pasok. Lane 2, John Ray of Brave Dolphins. Lane 3, Paruno Ethan of Beta Caloocan. Lane 4, Jared Marcos of Tulan Aqua Spring. Lane 5, Poblete Calvin of Beta Caloocan. Lane 6, Tomasa Carl of Urusi East Aquatic. Lane 7, Sebastian Rafael of Aquasonic. Lane 8, Ryan Ami of Seal Mid-Tide. Lane 9, Damian During of Flying La Paso Swimming Homer.